Good morning guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. First morning in El Nido and it's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're just going to catch the sunrise. But yeah, check this out, you got full cave surrounding this whole road. It's almost like the road's kind of like wedged in between the cliff and super cool. Excited to be here, excited to be in Palawan, excited to be in El Nido. I was actually here 9 years ago. And from what I can remember, it was just a dirt track. It was a dirt road, barely any hotels, barely any resorts. Now it's a bit more developed. The roads are wider, a lot more hotels, a lot more restaurants, bars, cafes. Yeah, big change in 9 years. Wow, the town's really livened up from this morning. It's only 9 AM and it's completely buzzing. There's people everywhere. People heading out on their tours for the day. It's got a nice little buzz about it. Good energy here. It's lively. It's expensive comparatively compared to like Siargao, Siquijor, etc. Cool. That was a productive morning. Got out, did a little photo shoot. We have got a video finished, which I am just uploading now. And we're starting the next project for YouTube. So I have got all my clothes in the bag to go do a wash. Thank you. Okay. I've just got a laundry drop. 50 pesos per kilo. 235 pesos for all my laundry. Alright, we found a place. Swedish massage is... Oh, thank you. Here we go. Some too big. So it's 400 for a Swedish massage. I'm sweating, it's so hot out there. Walking around for ages looking for a place. But we found it, we're just going to relax, and as soon as it's done, I am going to get lunch. I'm so hungry. But yeah, it's always good in the Philippines. 400 pesos and it's a 1 hour massage. Alright, that was a great massage. Feeling pretty relaxed and my appetite is through the roof, so... Thank you. Just sit, yeah. Thank you, sorry. I'm too keen. Oh, you're open? Okay. San Miguel Pilsen, yeah. First customer. We got chicken tikka masala, some roti bread, rice, and I'm just waiting on my naan bread. So I'd highly recommend that little place if you want some good Indian food in El Nido. So we're heading off to do the Canopy Walk today. It only takes about an hour in the morning, so it starts at 8 AM. I'll show you the motorbike that I got yesterday from my friend Janrik. Usually it's about 500 pesos a day for a normal bike, but he's given me this one for 400 pesos. So it's a little Honda, it's brand new. Hi, good morning. Can I get a little coffee first to start the day? Could I get an Americano? Yes, just to take away? Yeah, thank you. The guide for the Canopy Walk hasn't arrived yet, so we've got time to get a quick coffee before we head off on the tour. This is a nice little cafe. It's like Italian themed. It's got like all these nice olive oils and balsamic vinegars. Nice. Oh, and they have nice cheese as well. Ooh. So that is one thing I've noticed about the prices of coffee in El Nido. It's actually pretty close to prices in Sydney. For example, like it's probably $4.50, $5 for coffee in Sydney and Bondi, and in El Nido it's 170 pesos, so it's about $4.50, $5. I need coffee every morning, and I do like good quality coffee. You know, I can't really drink the instant, like sweet, milky instant coffee, so it's a bit of a problem. You can find cheaper coffee places, but you know, sometimes it's just convenience wins. Thank you. Right, kind of. Oh, a little cookie as well. Lovely. Thank you. Cool. That's us all suited up in the gear, and we're ready to go on the Canopy Walk. It was 730 pesos for both the Canopy Walk and the Dreamcatcher. So that's our group. There's 3 of us plus our guide. What wildlife is here?
monkey something. Yeah.
That's good. A little bit of early morning exercise. Alright, we made it to the top of the Canopy Walk and it's an amazing view over El Nido. Check this out. Wow, what a view. Top of Taraw Rock in El Nido, and you get such an amazing view of the bay, the cliffs, all the boats in the harbour. Wow. Limestone rock here in El Nido, and it's so sharp, like that would kill. Wow, super jagged, super sharp, but it looks incredible. You've got like trees growing off it. Look at this one here, the whole thing. Wow, whoa, what a magnificent view. Whew. Alright guys, let's just check out of Raj's residence. We are heading to our new hotel. We're staying in Charlie's hotel. About 15 minutes from where I am now. So I'm just going to hop on the bike and we'll head up there and get checked in. It's got a swimming pool, a little bit more luxurious, which I need. I need a nice break. So yeah, we'll get on our bike. And we've made it to Charlie's hotel, El Nido. We're going to get checked in. Alright, there we go. Get checked into the room. Super nice hotel, and I actually just met one of Janrik's friends, Patricia. She's here with her boyfriend doing a photo shoot. This is the pool, yeah? Yeah. Cool. Oh, this is the room 118? Nice. Cool. Thank you. Oh, that aircon is so nice. Yeah. Here we go, made it to the room, nice and cold. The heat in El Nido at the moment will kill you. Thanks sir. No worries. Thank you very much. Cheers. Here we go, made it to the room. Let's check it out. Here's the bathroom. Like, I mean, it's very minimal, but very nicely done. So that bed is massive, look at the bed. Super big bed. But yeah, this is perfect stay. I've got 2 nights here. I might extend depending on how I feel. That's it. I have to go back down to the main town and pick up my washing. So I'll head down there and do that. And then it's just going to be a chill day today. I've got my free diving starting tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be the plan. Just sort of take it easy today, maybe sit back, relax, and then tomorrow we got the 2-day free diving course. Thanks again for tuning into the video. If you did like it, hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on Instagram at YesJmo, and of course like, share and comment. Thanks again and good night.